What a month. Hey guys, it's me, Shinobi Nando. Welcome back to one of my rambling update things that I'm supposed to do every 3 months, but always end up doing much later than that, I'm sorry. But at least I had a good excuse this time. Hear me out. So I'm gonna start this video off on kind of a weird tangent, and it has to do with something that I should have brought up a long time ago, admittedly, as is the theme with this video. That's a lot of my New Year's resolutions, specifically for the channel itself. I didn't just make personal ones, I also wanted to do some creator goals, if you will. I always tie them into New Year's resolutions. Why not? 2 birds, 1 stone. And yeah, they all intertwine in one way or another. So one of my first personal ones was to actually finally start losing some weight and keeping it off this time. Those of you who've been around for a while will know that about 2-3 years ago, I started the keto diet and I lost a load of weight. I lost 70 pounds, I think, in total. But the thing about keto is, as soon as you go off of it, you start to pile on the weight quite quickly. So in an effort to lose weight, I'm trying to exercise, I'm trying to go back to martial arts, and I'm trying to eat healthier and cook my meals. I love to cook. If you guys see me on Instagram or Twitter, I'll post my food all the time. Links are in the description as usual. And for that reason, unfortunately, the Japanese sweet and food crate unboxings kind of are on hold for now anyways. I am going to look back into it as I learn to eat healthier and snack healthier and not consume an entire box of the Japanese sweets all in one sitting, which is what I was doing because I'd have to break keto and then I'd have to eat them all, so that way I wasn't tempted throughout the month. I did manage to keep about 20 pounds off, and to date have lost 30 pounds. So like I said, I will bring them back, and I'll try to eat a bit more healthy. I'll test them, and then, save them maybe for the span of the month until the next box. So if you're a subscriber who came from the Tokyo Treat boxes, because they're actually getting quite popular, or someone who just enjoyed them, that's where they've been. They were just been on a short hiatus. They are coming back. Now, that's not the real reason I've been gone for a month, just because I'm trying to lose weight and I had less things to unbox, I guess, because I don't have the Tokyo Treat boxes or Umai crates. I actually did something that I've been meaning to do my whole life. I finally went back to my homeland of Portugal. I'm kidding, I am Canadian, but I am also half Portuguese, as I've said many times. So I wanted to go there finally. My family's actually from the Azores, which is islands off the coast, well, in the middle of the Atlantic. But, Portugal's a lot closer and cheaper and, close enough. So that's where I was for 2 weeks. Now, a lot of you asked me to make a vlog, but I was away with my family. I did take some footage, which, hopefully editing Nando is doing his thing now, and you can see the beautiful beaches of the Algarve and some of the sights that I saw. It was absolutely gorgeous. Portugal, seriously, is an underrated country. I know a lot of people in the UK at least go because of cheap holidays, but honestly, the food, the culture, the people, they're so lovely. And the Algarve, or anywhere, Lisbon, Cumbria, anywhere, it's beautiful. Just do yourself a favor, check out Portugal. However, when I came back from Portugal, I got COVID again. Yeah, I didn't know you could catch it so soon, but I tested positive for COVID. So nice, I caught it twice. Now, to be honest, it wasn't so bad, even though for medical reasons I can't be vaccinated. So yeah, luckily for me, it wasn't that severe, but then I caught pneumonia again. And this time was bad. I mean, I don't know if you've ever had pneumonia before, but I felt like my lungs were constantly full of water. I was waking up every 2 hours, coughing up liquid and phlegm. And then my doctor put me on the wrong antibiotics. So that was fun. Yeah, that's my absence explained now. So for about that month, I was either in Portugal having the time of my life, or, sick at home in bed, trying not to drown in my own lungs. I want to say a big thank you for all your patience. And the fact that the videos have been doing phenomenally well, which is one thing I really wanted as part of my whole tying everything together with channel goals and New Year's resolutions, was to, really get some headway with the channel this year, really see some growth. I know I said I wasn't going to focus on numbers, I think, in the last update video as much, but it's always nice to see numbers increase. Analytics is just part of the creator game. And that's down to you guys either sharing it, watching it, rewatching it. A lot of you have started posting or retweeting on social media. That really helps. Because of you guys, we actually got some more opportunities. Hopefully, by the time you see this, it's already out. If not, I do have a very special unboxing. I'm so excited because it again ties into one of my goals for the channel, which is to get a press kit. We did get something from Bandai Namco UK. I hope you saw that I got a poster, a mega poster, like I think it was 126 out of 250 in the UK. I really need to put it behind me or display it somewhere. That space actually is a bit maybe too small as well. So speaking of Elden Ring, you guys knocked it out of the park by watching and sharing again. My first impressions of Elden Ring, I am a really bad Dark Souls player, but yet you guys took to it really kindly, and it is by far the best performing gameplay video by a country mile. And on top of that, other non-unboxing things like reviews have done incredibly well. I think my first 2 reviews have hit well over 1,000 views. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but you gotta understand when you're mainly a collectible channel where my unboxings can hit, you know, anywhere from 5 to 50,000 views, that to get something that outside of your niche do well is always a bonus. And I thank you guys again so much for taking that chance and letting me try other things. So yeah, we got the poster, I got a press kit, which technically I can't mention at the time of recording, but again, it should be up and I haven't shown anything, so we should be good. And yeah, that's kind of where we're at. That is the update on the channel. There are some things I regret that I haven't been able to do, either due to the sickness or just time. One of those is the top 10 videos. I did make one with Speedy. I love doing my yearly top 10 video or top 5 video with Speedy where we break down the best collector's editions. It's always a laugh. It's always a good time. If you haven't seen it, please do, just for the skits and the comedy. He does a lot of great skits as well and cosplay. Probably better than mine now. He's surpassed me, and it makes it incredibly fun to work with him. I did want to do my top 5 most anticipated games. I tend to do like one at the start of the year and then one for the second half. But to be honest, there hasn't been a lot out this year, and it's been a slow couple of months. Everything was really crammed into February, but things will be announced this summer. There'll be other games that are either getting announced their new release dates as they've been pushed back, or new games that are being revealed. I will try to do another top 5 most anticipated games for you guys. And the last thing I really want to mention is thank you again for your patience. This has been a slow year, obviously with me being sick and going on holiday and planning to go traveling some more. There hasn't been as many unboxings, which I'm more known for. Yeah, thank you again for your patience. There will be more skits, there will be more unboxings, especially if more opportunities present themselves. I'm gonna keep on keeping on, I'm gonna keep on pumping out content for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it all. And as usual, let me know in the comments what's been your favorite video this year. Let's do something different. Let me know your favorite video this year or your favorite skit, or ask me a question and maybe I'll do a Q&A. Ask me anything. Ask me about my trip to Portugal, ask me about how I'm doing, ask me about being a content creator if you're interested in doing it yourself. That'd be kind of cool to do in 6 months, well, 3 months. Supposed to do it in 3 months, but in 6 months time most likely I'll give you an update and answer all your questions. I'd be remiss not to quickly mention that I do have a merch store, and as usual you guys have been phenomenal supporting me this year in terms of affiliate links and everything. It's the link to CD keys in the description where you guys could get discount on games digitally. That's the way things are going. I know we're a physical channel, but more and more games are being released with the collector's edition separate or just the digital only consoles, so it is what it is. Anyways guys, I don't want to waffle too much, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.